Assalamu alaikum. In this session, we are discussing the letter Ba in Thuluth script, that is Khattu Thuluth. The standard version of Ba in Thuluth consists of two strokes. The width of the entire shape is about 6 nuqtas and the height is just over 3 nuqtas. Stroke 1. The first stroke of the standard Ba is a short and curved stroke that starts off by going down towards the right and then curves slightly leftwards before ending. The total height of the first stroke is 2 nuqtas. Stroke 2. The second stroke starts by overlapping the bottom of the initial stroke. It scripts down towards the left, and as it descends by 1 nuqta, it ascends back upwards towards the left by 2 nuqtas. Contrary to popular belief, the Ba is not a symmetrical shape. The descent of the stroke is 4 nuqtas wide and the ascent is 2 nuqtas wide. Then we can go to the practical demonstration. For first stroke, you have to stroke as around 1 o'clock angle, then go to the right, then towards the left as a pointing edge. This is about 2 nuqtas in height. Then overlapping the first stroke, we have to draw the second stroke. Descending 1 nuqtas depth, then going 4 nuqta wide, and after that ascending for 2 nuqtas. But you have to notice that if this height is this much, height of first stroke is this much, it will not go up to that level. This is about not a congruent shape or symmetrical shape. This lasts here, just a curved shape like that. Notice that this descent is around 1 nuqta. This shape is 2 nuqta. Then there is 6 nuqta wide. Then this ascent is 1 nuqta. If you found this session useful, please do like and share to your friends. Assalamu alaikum.